Next, you will see this here that says your appeal has been submitted. We'll review your appeal and get back to you within 14 days. Remember, if you delete any videos after you receive your channel review decision, we won't be able to review your appeal. And then press OK. And then after that, you'll see a repetition of what we've just read. So it says, your appeal is under review and you'll receive a response by email and in YouTube Studio within 14 days. Remember, if you delete any videos after you receive your channel review decision, we won't be able to review your appeal. Then after that, it's just the waiting game really. Do your prayers and by God's grace, you'll hear from them very soon. I was very blessed to get mine the very next day, and this is what the email looked like. It says, update, your YouTube partner program appeal was successful. Hi, and your channel name. We're happy to share that your YouTube partner program appeal was successful and your channel can now monetize again. Our team carefully reviewed both your content and your video appeal. Your video appeal helped us to better understand how you create your videos, your content strategy, and your channel's brand. Thanks for submitting an appeal and for your patience while we reviewed it. We realize this was extra work for you and we appreciate your help in improving our review process. Thanks, YouTube team. And then if you were to log back into your YouTube Studio, you will be greeted with your channel name and you are now a YouTube partner. Congratulations! You're back into the YouTube partner program and the appeal was successful. Follow these steps. I pray that yours will be successful too. Thank you for all the time you spent watching this video, and don't forget to check out my YouTube playlist, my monetization playlist, my demonetization playlist, and my Google AdSense playlist. Very, very helpful tips in there. So once again, thank you very much for your time, and I shall see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.